Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 18. The secret to handling employees who break the law. Warren said, "There is plenty of money to be made in the center of the court, there is no need to play around the edges." Warren gave this advice to his managers in the late 80s, when two bond traders broke the U.S. Treasury's bidding rules. The two traders were caught submitting false bids to the U.S. Treasury. This would have been a certain death blow to the company, which Warren had invested $700 million. Warren stepped in as chairman of the board, and cleared the house of the CEO and the top managers involved. He also gave investigators free access to the company records. Warren said to all his managers, "It is important to be aggressive when making money. However, you need to stay within the boundaries of the law. When managers break the law, they risk losing their entire business with one single action. As managers, we must keep a watchful eye on the employees, to ensure they don't bet the store for a quick buck, to further their careers. If we find something going on, the first thing to do is notify the authorities." A hard, tough lesson for all involved. Another business tip from LearnAccountingFast.com next. The secret to dealing with your mistakes.